Hey, super excited. Good day, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're joining from. How are you doing today? How's your day going? Another live trade session today. Where are you joining from? Tell me. Fantastic. Good afternoon. Good morning, guys. Tell me where you guys are joining from today. Where are you joining from? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me know you guys can hear me. Let me know you guys can hear me if you can hear me. Fantastic. Excellent afternoon, Mr. Alex. Hey, Shepizo from Botswana. How you doing? How's Botswana today? Good afternoon, Coach Samuel Oduma. Samuel, good afternoon. How is it going? Hey, Mr. Ebuka, how is it going? Mutadawa Lao, Lagos. Good to have you. Good to have you guys. Can we for a few seconds can we go clear? Can we go share? Let's share the video on our various platforms before we talk about today's analysis. Hey, Madam Rita, how are you doing today? Super excited. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's share, let's share, let's share, let's share. Let's share, let's share, let's share. Hey, Mr. Christopher, how are you doing? Where are you joining from? Lagos. Wow. Good to have you on the call today. Today's going to be an amazing session. Let's help, let's help other people to see this amazing training we're going to be having today. Okay, guys, let's get to work today. I'm excited. So you're welcome to today's live trading session with Mayowa Owolabi. And the goal of this is to talk about available zones that we can look for entries that we can use to going into the market, and we are good to go with this. And that is how I trade. I'm a swing position trader. That's how I enter the market. I don't trade the market. I trade opportunities. So I don't look for setup every time. I only look for the opportunities at the available institutional zones that I can put in my money. And that is how I've been able to build um, hundreds of thousands of dollars in this industry. I'm really excited today about what I'm about to share with you today. So let's make sure we share this video so we can help other people get access to the opportunity that we have for this week as the market will present itself. Okay, and for existing traders already, how is your trading this week? Uh, most uh, Mutadala, how is your trading this week? Christopher, how is your trading this week? Alex, how is your trading this week? What have you done this week? What analysis have you put your money in? Why did you put your money in? And that is the essence of what we're going to be discussing today. I'm going to be sharing the opportunities that will present itself. You can ask questions, and you also tell me the pairs that you are looking at to put your money. I'll just put in my view, and we're going to be rocking and rolling together. It's been an amazing time, and I also want to thank everyone that has been sharing this video. I'm really excited about it. It encourages me to do more, and we're going to be doing this together. Hey, Ikechuku, good to have you. Good connecting with you yesterday. Ikechuku was in my office here in Lagos yesterday. Amazing. Good to have you. Okay? Super, super excited, guys. Emmanuel Agoli, I see you. Akuma. Okay, Akuma. I think Akuma is on this call. Okay, guys, so let's get to work today. I'm excited. What pair do you want us to start with today? So, okay, so Emmanuel said we should check Euro USD. So let's check out what Euro USD is having. Now, one of the things I noticed this week is that the market has been boring. Oh, geez, no volume in the market at all. And except you're an intraday trader that you trade on 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, that is when you probably have gotten a trade this week. But sincerely, it's been really, really like, and I always expect it, like, I always expect it. I've been expecting this to happen. Okay, so this is basically what we have. We expect in the market, he has given us a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low. So we are waiting for the market to either drop below this low, okay, drop below this low, or it comes up for us to be able to sell from here. Okay, so if you also check from weekly, you agree with me that this is the rally based drop zone. We're expecting the market to come back into this place. So this is taking time. Okay, this is taking time. At least this has taken more than 8 days to drop out. And why is it holding people's money? That I don't like that. I don't like that. If you are not a disciplined trader, you would be frustrated because the market has just been struggling around this zone for the past 9 days, 8 to 9 days. Okay, an average AU GBP USD trader would have been struggling in this zone. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is not a good movement compared to the 8 days that you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at these 8 days. These 8 days produced 679 pips. Can you see that? These 8 days has just been going between 120 up and 120 down for the past 8 days. And this is where manipulation is done. The institutions, the volume will not be in the market, okay, for people, for the impatient traders to have entered the market, and the trade would have hit several stop loss. So right now, there's nothing I'm doing right now for GBP USD, except it comes up into this 1.2500, which is a very key zone. When it gets there, then I'm going to look for a sell opportunity. However, if it breaks this low, that means that we're going to be looking for a buy opportunity from this low. Okay, so we're going to be expecting the market to what? To drop below and break a structure before we can buy. But right now, there's really nothing from my own point of view, okay, point of correction, from my own point of view to be able to do anything here. If you go to daily, I know 4 hours, I know some of you will be saying that Why can't we look for anything around this place? But sincerely, there's nothing. Another thing we can do is to look for a buy, okay? But because it's against the trend, because this is a low, this is a high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high. So the other option is to look for a buy so that you can buy to the supply. So you can buy to the supply. So this will be a buy zone. Drop, base, rally. So this will be a buy zone. Okay? And inside this buy zone, this buy zone, this buy zone. So this buy zone is what we're going to be looking at. But it's counter trend. So if I'm going to be naturally be risking like maybe 3% of my account or 10% of my account, because this is a counter trend right now, I might not risk up to that. Okay, I might not risk up to that. So by Thursday, tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, we can look for a buy in this 1.21 zone, between 1.21 and 1 point, but it's a counter trend. Okay, it's a counter trend. I don't trade counter trend, and if I have to trade counter trend, by all means I will reduce my risk. So inside this place, we're going to go from here to 15 minutes. Okay, so in 15 minutes I would now look for a buy in this blue selected zone, but I still see a sell in the bigger picture. Okay, because this buy is a counter trend. Okay, if you're an active trader, you can trade this. If you are not an active trader, I would recommend you wait for a sell, which could take which I don't see happening this week. Okay, I don't see this happening this week, so we can look for a sell from here, for a buy from here. Okay, we have break of structure here, we have stop loss on here. So this zone will hold for a buy, but it's a counter trend. It means that it is a 20% chance, not a 80% chance. I love 80% chance. I love 80% chance. So I'm going to put out this for you guys. If you are an aggressive trader and you want to trade against this trend, okay, good. So inside this place, you look for a buy opportunity in GBP in London section or New York section. So you take this buy here to the top, but it's against the trend. Whenever it's against the trend, you don't trade it or you reduce your risk. Then you can buy from here to the top. Okay, if you look for a buy here, that should be about 400 pips. It's not bad, but it's against the trend. It means that I can push lower. Okay, you want to trade more of confirmation entry in this place. Okay, so I'll drop this for you guys. This is my view. Okay, I'll buy from here to the top or the market breaks lower. Please use stop loss. Okay, always use stop loss. Always use calculator to know your risk. Don't trade because you want to trade. Okay, trade because there is an opportunity. Okay, hope that helps. Hope that helps. Okay, so GBP USD. This GBP USD. That GBP USD setup. Emmanuel, hope you got that. Samuel Samuel said he has not traded since last week because there is no setup. Samuel, I totally agree with you. I haven't traded since last week. No trade setup. Yes, I have not traded either. My money is in my account. There is no clear direction. So if you don't come into that reality, you're going to be struggling. If you don't come into that reality, you're going to be struggling. And if you don't want to struggle, then you have to wait for a clear. Fantastic. I like that. You are learning a lot, Samuel Oduma. Christopher says, let's look at GBP NZD. So we'll check that now. Philip says, mentor, please, Euro GBP and Euro GBP JPY. We'll check that. Alfred Tauban, how you doing, my brother? Good evening, coach. Good evening, my brother. Good to hear from you. Emmanuel, good evening. Papilastic, GBP Mexican person. I don't know, Mr. Ola. Mr. Ola, I'll check that now. Okay, Jupiter said, can we look at US 100? I believe on a 15-minute chart, we have a higher low in which we can buy at 1300 level. On 4 hours chart, that level presents a lower high. Fantastic, where we can flush the market. Okay, good. So let's check. Since it's 15 minutes, let's check US 30. Let's check US 30. No, is that US 30 or US 100? US 100, sorry. US 100. So let's check US 100. Okay. My rules of engagement, I need to see the direction from monthly. I need to see the direction from monthly before I take a short-term trade. Okay, so we have a monthly buy here. We are on a buy zone. Ooh, fantastic. Wow, this is soup. So let's go to daily. Let's go to daily. Okay, so I can buy here. This is where I can buy. This is where I can buy. Okay, this guy will push lower because the institutions declared a buy. The institutions declared a buy here. Okay, so they have taken profits. Okay, so they will take profit to a very discounted zone. So 11,250, that is where I'm going to be looking at buying. Now, if you use 15-minute entry to buy, it's not bad. Okay, it's just that it could be a wrong call. It could be a wrong call because the bias is buy, but you want to use 15 minutes for your buy. So which I totally recommend you wait for the complete retracement. Okay, go and watch my video on market structure. Okay, I don't see this level hold. I can be wrong. I'm not an expert. I'm just making money. I'm an investor, okay? I'm not an expert. I'm an investor, okay? So I'm just here to make money. Okay, so I can be wrong. But what I've noticed with the institutions is that they always like to mitigate zones. Okay, they always like to mitigate zones. So they've declared an impulse move here. This impulse move need retracement. And you see, another thing they've done is that the market is yet to even break 50% discount. Okay, they don't do, let's say HSBC, okay, HSBC entered a buy here, okay, so they will take some profit at this top, and when they take profit, the market will do a full retracement to below 50% to about 78.6. So this is always the zone that people look for, the investors look for a buy. Okay. So, but in as much that I don't have the money that they have, I won't be able to come and wait for it at this zone. So I'm going to be waiting for it at this zone at 1200. But if you're an intraday scalper, you can take your risk here and your stop loss will be below. But this doesn't meet my view. Okay, I can be wrong. Okay, I'm not here to impress you. I'm here to help somebody that does. I'm not here to impress you. So I feel I feel they're going to push it lower, and that's where they're going to take that decision for the buy. Okay, they'll take the decision for the buy, and they will be exiting at weekly demand, which is here. Okay, then they will sell because a crash is coming, and that crash will need to take us back to this zone 750. That crash needs to take us to 750 or 4,000. That crash has to happen. We are waiting for that crash. Okay, so this is just a short-term buy. We'll buy from here to this place, then it will drop. So right now, that's the bigger picture right now. So we need a short buy that will make this become lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we'll take the sell from here. Okay, and we already have a structure broken here. So that means this is an impulse that they used. This is the retracement. This is the impulse. Okay, so we are going to be trading the demand retracement back to this place. Then we have the next impulse, and the third move is always the most craziest move. So we can't do anything right now. My view, okay. But I like that. I like your details. Okay, I like your detail. I like your details. So I like your detail. So let's look for the buy in this lower low. Okay, this is the structure that was destroyed. So when it comes back here, we'll take the buy from here. Do you need a screenshot of this? We need two more currency. Do you need a screenshot of this? Jupiter. Do you need a screenshot of that? Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Much appreciated, brother. You're welcome, my brother. Okay, so let's drop it. I'll drop it. US 100. US 100. Okay, so Monday say, can you help me check Euro JPY based on the weekly time frame? I'm waiting for it to come to institutional candle created above for a sell. Okay, Monday I'll do. So Monday said Euro JPY. We have 4 requests: GBP NZD, Euro GBP, Euro JPY. So we have 2 Euro JPY requests. So I'm going to do GBP NZD, Euro JPY, then we'll do one more. So let me answer Christopher Omozi. Okay, so we are done with this guy. Let's go to GN. Now, GN is going through a lot because GBP is weak, NZD is weak. So, right now, it's going to be doing a lot of ranging right now, but I'm looking for a sell. I'm looking for a sell from 2000, 2.00. That's what I'm looking for, a sell. I'm looking for a sell that will take us deeper. This sell will take us to 1.500. Okay. This sell anytime I don't have clarity like this, I try to stay away from it, from the pair, which I recommend. There's no clarity. If you go to weekly, you see that the guy is struggling. Okay. However, you can see that it gave us a higher low, higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and the market obeyed this rule. So when it went up again, it came into this low. It came into this low. So that means that's where the battle is right now. But if you're on paid version of what's it called? On paid version on TradingView, which I am, you can check 6 months, you can check yearly, you can check 3-month setup. Okay. And January, February, March, April, May, June, the 3-month candle is going to be closing tomorrow. So you can see that we have a lower low here, a lower high here, lower low here, a lower high here, a lower low here. So the market retraced back into this rally based drop right here. So that means that the monthly is in control. So no matter the 6 months is in control. So no matter how much I see opportunity to buy, I can't buy right now. I have to sell. I need to sell so that the sell can take us to this low, somewhere around 1.40, 1.400. That's where I'm going to wait. So I'm waiting for the sell. So if that sell needs to come, that means I need to look for sell opportunity. And you can see that this guy dropped from here. Okay. You can see that we have a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. So we are here to create a lower low. So right now, this is my sell zone, this rally based drop. So we have I can be wrong. I try to let you guys know I'm not trying to impress you. I'm just sharing my view. Okay? I can be wrong. Okay? So I'm waiting for a sell inside this 2.0. I'm just giving you a premium service right now. This is a premium service right now. Okay, so I'm looking for a sell inside this zone, and I'm going to sell to this to 1.4. The same way we are selling NCHEF from the top to where it is right now. Okay, so if we know we are waiting for retracement, Why can't we now go to 4 hours and start buying? That's what a lot of people do. But he's going to be struggling because it is not his wave. The wave is sell. So that is why it's up, down, up, down, up, down. You see you see it's been fighting this place. So for me, there's nothing on this trade that meets my requirement. Let's go to weekly. If we can see a weekly buy zone that we can use to take the buy to the top. Let's see if there is. That the candle is moving does not mean that that is worthy your money. Okay, good. So this is where we are right now. So up 2 weeks ago, I spoke about this buy here at this drop based rally. Okay, good, good. So with this, we're expecting it to push up more. So when it pushes up more, they're going to be very good to sell inside here. Okay, if you go to 4 daily now, except you want to use 70 pips, 100 pips stop loss. Any other stop loss right now? Okay, so we can pick this as daily zone. We can also pick this as a daily zone. So these are the two places we can look for. If it is a must, you trade this pair. Hmm? If it is a must, you trade this pair. Any pair that is in the reversal zone is always very rough. So this is reversal. So if it is a must, look for a buy at 1.500, 500. Then anything lower, you can look for a buy zone. Does that make sense? Okay. Have I helped you, Christopher? Have I helped you, Christopher? Do you need the analysis? Do you guys need the analysis for EJ? Sorry, for GJ and GN? Okay, so this is GBP NZD. That's the analysis for GBP NZD. You can always get it and scale up with it. That's the goal, guys. So a lot of people are requesting for Euro JPY. Okay, so let's check. What's your bias? Oluwafemi, what's your bias? What's your bias, Oluwafemi? Euro JPY. So for me, Euro JPY need to come into this monthly zone. Needs to come into this monthly zone. Until it gets there, thank you so much, coach. You're welcome, my brother. It's rough. I just want to see your view, sir. Oh, I see. So let's check the view together. So this is where I'm looking at for a sell. I'm looking for a sell at 140, 145. That's why I'm looking for a sell. I'm looking for a sell at 145. 145.00. Okay. And if it breaks 145.00, you're going to be selling at 165.50. Okay. But right now, this is the closest we can get. So let's deal with this guy. This is the only place. So let's go to daily. It's yet to enter into that zone. Okay. It's yet to enter into that zone. This 145, the stop loss is over 200 pips. So you have to look for ways to reduce the stop loss so that this is from 145.00. This is about 500 pips stop loss. That's too much. Okay. So we have to wait for that reversal. Okay. And once you touch, we can't buy again. Once you touch. Okay. But when it go up in there, we're going to look for a sell. And it's going to be very sweet. And once we can get clarity, confirmation, okay, we can shoot that sell to 99. Because JPY, JXY has been weak for more than 4 years. JPY has been weak. So he has to do some retracement. JXY. So you're just looking for that short retracement. That's what we're going to be looking at. So wait for your strategy confirmation from 145.00. Don't go and enter sell there, because somebody was following us and went to sell CHF JPY without using stop loss. I didn't teach you that. Okay, if you don't know how to take trades, you need to, master a strategy. I've given you several strategies. You have your moving average, you have engulfing, you have all of so many strategies outside there. Pick it, see your own entry strategy on lower time frame. Don't just go and sell blindly because of my analysis. I'm a monthly, weekly, daily person. I don't trade on lower time frame, but I enter on 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. That is where I enter my trades from. So you have to understand how I trade to be able to maximize my free training to you, which is my obligation to do for you. Okay. But you need to have an entry strategy and an exit strategy. Okay. So this guy has been selling since 2000. Okay. Since 2017, he's been selling. Since 2020, he pushed more. So you can see, so he has to do a retracement, and that retracement will be at 1.27, 1.27 Fibonacci extension. That's where the retracement will be. Then we retrace back for a buy. Okay, and at that buy, that is where UJ will sell, UJ will sell, EJ will sell, Shell JPY will sell, all of them will sell. So the reason why they are all weak is because JPY as a currency is extremely weak. So there's license to buy on all JPYs, but you must buy with stop loss in mind. So that's my view on Euro JPY. I hope I've been able to. Geez, I did not share my screen since. Jeez. Let's go over it again. But this is what I mean, Sha. This is the zone 145, 145.00. That's what I'm looking for. A short sell, except JPY gains massively, they will sell to this place. Okay, and from this place, this is about over 3,000 pips, over 5,000 pips. So we're going to be holding this guy. Okay, we are still holding NCHF in the community. We are still holding HF in the community, and we are waiting for fresh entries that we're going to be holding for the next 3 months. But guys, that is how to be able to hold your trades. Just look at the bigger picture, look at where the market is going on a bigger scale, then go to lower time frame and trade in that alignment. That is what we are doing. It's not going to change for the next 1 million years. Okay, so I said that this guy need to push up into 14500 for a sell. And I also made mention the reason why JPY is weak, why all the JPYs are buying, is because JPY as a currency is extremely weak. Okay, so it needs to reverse, it needs to do some retracement, and that retracement will be at Fibonacci 1.27. That's where the Fibonacci retracement extension will be, and that's where we want to look for a buy and take that buy up. So if JPY is going to be very strong to push up back, that means that Euro JPY will take off on that sell. Euro JPY will take off on that sell. So let me split my screen so that you can see what I'm talking about. So you see that. You can see that when this guy took off on sell 2020, this is when this guy took out on that buy 2020. So when this guy delivers here 3,000 pips, that was when this guy had done his own. So right now we need a bullish move. Ooh, God, I'm doing some hardcore premium stuff here right now. But you know, you have to learn it. So this guy need to give us that retracement, that volume, okay? Because they've been selling, so they need to take profit. So once they take profit, there will be a retracement. When they take profit, we will now take that sell on Euro JPY, okay? On lower time frame, 4 hours, 30 minutes, 1 hour, you have to wait for your entry. Then we'll take that sell that can take us back. So when it takes this up, this will take this down, and that's the same thing for USD JPY. Fantastic. You can see this guy took up January 1st. January 1st, you can see January 2021, last year. So he's been buying since that time. He's been selling since that time. So this guy needs to deliver into this monthly zone. This guy needs to give us reversal, and that's what we're going to look for, that buy. And that buy, oh, that buy here will create sell here. So we are looking at selling UJ from 14200 down, or 14000 down into this place, 3,000 pips. Yeah. So that's the concept, guys. I just gave you some tick premium stuff right now. Show some love now. Show some love if you guys are learning some deep stuff right now. Show some love, guys. Okay? So tell me. Tell me. Hope you guys gain some value today. So we've spoken about Euro JPY, we've spoken about USD JPY, we have spoken about GBP NZD, and we've spoken about US 100, 4, and GBP USD. So that's 5. 5 for you guys is enough for this week. That's my view. Thank you. Chukuyem said thank you. You're welcome, my brother. Philip, there's nothing on Euro GBP right now. Stay away. No clarity. Trade clarity. Trade clarity. The market is still ranging for Euro GBP, so no clarity. Afolabi Victor say ITC for life. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Okay. Have I been able to help you today? Have I been able to help you today? Show some love, guys, if I'm able to help you today. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so I'll see you guys again on Saturday. Oduma says, please, sir, is there a way to set alert? Yes, right click on your trading view. You see alert option. Right click on trading view, you will see alert option. See, right click on the screen. Fantastic. So, guys, I want to share something with us before we go. I want to crave your indulgence that we're going to be intentional about this. The goal is to reach out to 1 billion people with free education when it comes to financial market, financial freedom, cryptocurrency, and the vehicles that I'm an expert in. And the goal is that is why no matter how busy I am, okay, no matter how busy I am, I'm always coming online. Okay, I have another meeting right now to attend to, but I had to also come to do my usual. The goal is to help 1 billion people, and I want to achieve 1 million people in the next 5 years. Okay, these 1 million people, I also want you to be, if I'm not charging you for private session, if I'm not charging you for all this knowledge, the best you can do for me is to help share this vision. Okay, the company that is putting this together for you is Mayowa Owolabi company, and our goal is to achieving financial freedom. Okay, achieving financial freedom. And if we are achieving financial freedom for people, we have to give it out almost free. Okay, yes, will there be people that will pay for our company services? Definitely. Okay, but a lot of you know that we give deep trainings that you will naturally not get online free. Okay, you will naturally not get it online free. And here is the vision. For a lot of you that follow me on social media, this is it. To help 1 billion people achieve financial freedom through quality financial education. Okay, so that is why you are actually going to be paying us for mentorship. But training, you will get that for free. Okay, so all my videos on YouTube, that is the goal. And that is why I come here almost every week to share this with you. So the best you can do for our company is to share. So when I tell you to share, I'm not telling you to share because I want to give you job to do. It's because I want this vision to be done. Okay? I want this vision to be done. Okay? We're currently working on our university or putting a lot of content there for you guys that you can be able to gain there. We're going to be teaching you understanding money, understanding investment. We're going to be sharing with you deep stuffs, how to diversify your portfolio. I'm going to be bringing one of the most successful investors that I know, who is holding on close to about 12 billion to 30 billion investment. How did he start it? So that is where I'm going to be bringing him on in the university to share us great and amazing stuff. So guys, I beseech us that whenever you see this video, come up, I want you to copy the link and share. I want you to uh, be a helper to a lot of people around you. I want you to people have the wrong knowledge about forex, not because they want to really lose or they don't want to pay for mentorship. It's because they don't even have access to the right information. So can we even give them that free information? Okay, can they have access to that free information? If we can do that, we can change the face of the financial market. We can change the face of every other industry we want and we play in. Okay, how many of us is playing an allegiance that we want to do this? Okay, how many of us want to really do this? Okay, you want to really do this for us. Okay, we won't be able to help share. It's possible create a broadcast list, and every education that we give out there, you copy the link, you copy the images, you share. Just help somebody. You see, one of the things that is really on our mind is that people should even know how to diversify their portfolio. Imagine somebody working for about 50 years and his whole entire inflow gratuity is about 30 million. 30 million is about 50,000 US dollars. Okay. And he carried all the money and he went to put it in a high risk investment. And the whole money went down the drain because he doesn't understand the classification of investment. He doesn't understand what risk management is all about. And that is why I'm really beseeching us guys, okay, that okay, as you get these premium services for free, can you share with friends, with neighbors, with colleagues, with people struggling, and you can help them achieve this. Okay, so that is why I said I'm going to reshare this. I'm going to reshare this vision with you guys. Our goal is 1 billion people, and I want to help. I'm available to help. I'm available to help. Okay, that'll be all for today. How many of you are really like, thank you so much, my God, at the top. I'm really learning. You're welcome, Olufemi Oguntuwase. Okay, can I get some encouragement if you are ready to do this with us? Show some love, guys. Show some love. Show some love, guys. Fantastic. 1 billion people. My Owolabi company. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Chinedu said, by God's grace, I invited a friend. He will be joining next month for your mentorship. Wow. Fantastic. 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 Even the ones that cannot achieve, that pay for the cannot pay for the mentorship, give them the free trainings. You know, on my YouTube channel, I have what is forex, I have market structure, I have so many trainings on my YouTube channel. Just copy the link, share with them, let them even know the free, let them know the basics free. Okay, thank you so much. You have changed my ideas. You're welcome, my brother. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here. Greetings. I'm happy meeting you live. Oh, really? Awesome. Thank you so much. Oluwafemi say, yes, we can do this, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, Thursday. I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrency, 2 p.m. West African time. And we're going to be killing the cryptocurrency market. I've told you guys, the assets are not ready right now. You need to save up. Oh, your goal is to create a $10,000 portfolio. Create that, start saving up because the market is going to be red. The street is going to be red, really red, and that is the time to invest. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a pleasant evening, and if you have any question, you can chat up with our team. These guys are amazing. They are waiting for you. Send them a WhatsApp message. You can call. You can also send us email at contact@mywowolabi.com. These guys are available to, to help you, to, to help you. Thank you so much. So that's the number on the screen. Make sure you save the number, chat up with the team. These guys are available to, no, that's not it. I think I got it wrong. It's +2349049990004, not 9. Okay, so that's the number on your screen. Okay, guys. Do have a pleasant evening. God bless you all.